had a lovely stay at Mount Cook. We stayed 2 nights. It's been really windy while we've been here, but it hasn't stopped us. And I just think where we've stopped, I'd recommend it's the Aoraki Court Motel. We've had all this space, we've had that view, and just us. Because we went up for breakfast at one of the hotels and it was manic. So if you come in here, I recommend staying at the Aoraki Court Motel because it's excellent basically. You've got a full kitchen, you can do your own breakfast, or again you can go and have breakfast or dinner at one of these local hotels. But with that as a view, just the 2 of us, who can grumble? So another quick recommendation, if you do come and stay here, get your supplies in the town at the end of the lake because there's nothing here. You can't buy anything. You can buy milk and you can buy crisps and snacks. But if you want to cook yourself something quick and easy, bring it with you because you can't buy food.
Yeah. There's no fresh produce, is there?
No.
No.
There's just a bit of stuff, but nothing you can do a meal with. So, or just eat at the little restaurant. There's a hotel right next to us up there a little bit, and that's where we ate our tea last night.
Yeah, just round the corner.
Cheap and cheerful menu. But all the rooms there have this view, but there's a car park in front of their room. Look what we have in front of our room. Grass.
For rocks.
So definitely stay here. So we're going on now to Lake Tekapo, but just give me the camera. Let me just ask you a question. Guys, is that a nice t-shirt or does it look like it belongs to a pyjama set and he's just missing the pyjama bottoms? Post your comments below because he's rather offended that I says it looks like he's wearing pyjamas.
And you also said, who bought you that? I went, oh, I did.
It's great. I clearly wasn't with you that day. But hey, if it makes you happy.
I will be avenged.
Yeah, it just looks like it's old. And
that's the effect. It's
yeah,
new.
but you know when t-shirts go a bit tatty because the print's gone a bit funny in the wash.
It's great. Just marvel at my dress sense. Now we're going to move on.
Yeah.
To Twizzle.
Lake Tekapo.
Lake Tekapo.
Tekapo.
But we're do we go?
Tekapo.
And now we're moving on. Where are we moving on to?
Lake Tekapo.
Okay, not Lake Tekapo. Do we stop via Twizzle?
No, we're not even going.
Oh no! A town with such a great name, we're not going through Twizzle.
Come on, let's go.
Lane's taking another photograph of the lake before we leave Mount Cook. Hardly blame her though, because that is rather marvellous. So blue.
We've seen a couple of lavender farms, haven't we?
We have.
It looks absolutely beautiful, so we thought we'd pull in. Check it out.
That's what it's all about.
What can you buy from a lavender farm? Do you go and pick your own or what? Pick your own lavender.
I was about to say, I wonder if they serve lavender ice cream. And I think they do. There's 3 main varieties.
It's beautiful.
Avis Hill, Pacific Blue and Violet Intrigue. Giant pine cones. Go and stand next to it just to show how big they are. That's incredible. We couldn't get one of those in the case. They're cool.
Turn left.
Lake Tekapo.
Twizzle.
I got to Twizzle. Never mind. Lake Tekapo. That's our next destination. It's not like it filming.
Check out the distance.
Follow SH8 Tekapo Twizzle Road for 46 kilometres.
49. 277. Probably our last glimpse of Mount Cook.